Good morning and welcome. You're watching the CommexFX Daily Outlook for Thursday, June 4th. The euro rose 1.01% against the US dollar and closed at 1.1269. Yesterday, the ECB President stated that the central bank's 1.1 trillion euros asset purchase programs were proceeding well and supporting the eurozone's modest recovery. The chief brushed off any hint of premature tapering of the purchases and mentioned that the stimulus will proceed as originally planned. In other economic news, Germany's final services PMI fell to a level of 53.00 in May, higher than market expectations of a fall to a level of 52.90. On the other hand, the seasonally adjusted retail sales in the single currency bloc rose 0.70% on an MOM basis in April, more than market expectations for a rise of 0.60%. The pair is expected to find support at 1.1137, and the fall 3 could take it to the next support level of 1.1005. The pair is expected to find its first resistance at 1.1344, and the rise 3 could take it to the next resistance level of 1.1418. Trading trends in the pair today are expected to be determined by the US economic data scheduled later today. The British pound fell 0.10% against the US dollar and closed at 1.5328. Data released showed that UK services PMI slipped to a level of 56.5 in May from 59.5 in April. Markets were expecting the index to ease to a level of 59.2, thus indicating that a recent cooling of the UK economy might last longer than previously thought. The pair is expected to find support at 1.5262, and the fall 3 could take it to the next support level at 1.5194. The pair is expected to find its first resistance at 1.5388, and the rise 3 could take it to the next resistance level of 1.5445. Looking ahead, the Bank of England's monetary policy meeting, scheduled in a few hours, will likely have limited market reaction as the central bank is widely expected to retain its current policy. The US dollar strengthened 0.22% against the Japanese yen and closed at 124.32. The pair is expected to find support at 123.96, and the fall 3 could take it to the next support level of 123.41. The pair is expected to find its first resistance at 124.87, and the rise 3 could take it to the next resistance level of 125.24. Going forward, investors would monitor Japan's leading as well as coincident indices data scheduled tomorrow. The Australian dollar strengthened 0.12% against the US dollar to close at 0.7777. The pair is expected to find support at 0.7684, and the fall 3 could take it to the next support level of 0.7642. The pair is expected to find its first resistance at 0.7791, and the rise 3 could take it to the next resistance level of 0.7857. Gold prices traded lower by 0.68% against the US dollar at $1185.20 per ounce on signs that the ECB could alter its stimulus plan, while the US ADP employment data beat expectations, thus denting the safe haven demand on the precious yellow metal. The pair is expected to find support at 1177.26, and the fall 3 could take it to the next support level of 1170.53. The pair is expected to find its first resistance at 1192.56, and the rise 3 could take it to the next resistance level of 1201.13. That was it for today. Make sure you check out our new affiliate program. As an IB, you'll not only be maximizing your growth potential, but you'll also enhance your client network. The CommexFX Introducing Broker program is one of the most rewarding in the Forex industry. Stay in the know by liking us on Facebook, following us on Twitter and Instagram, circling us on Google+, and of course, subscribing to our YouTube and CommexFX TV channels. Have a great trading day!